Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heidi. If this is your first time here, and if you're new here, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Today I'm gonna dye my hair with this L'Oreal Casting Cream Gloss in 700 Dark Blonde. Without further ado, let's just get started. I believe I have used this before. It's very close to my natural hair color, which is here in the roots. Typically it does turn out a little darker when I first dye it, and then it just kind of fades out kind of nicely. My hair is very blonde at the moment, so I think it will wash out pretty quickly. Because my hair is so blonde at the moment, I have to fill it in with something warm. So I'm going to use this Superdrug Color Effects Wash and Wash Out Hair Color in 6.7 Warm Chocolate Brown. This is basically orange, so it should turn my hair orange, and that way when I apply this darker hair color on top, my hair won't look green. So I'm gonna use this first on damp hair, and then I'll come back with probably orange hair, and then we'll use the hair dye. Here's my hair after filling it with that wash and wash out hair color, and it turned pretty much strawberry blonde, and I'm hoping this will be orange enough for me to put that hair color on. If not, then I can just use toners to even the same wash and wash out hair color to kind of tone down the green if it happens to turn out green. I gotta say my ends feel really dry because of all the bleach, so I might have to like cut my hair at some point as well, but for now we're keeping it a little bit longer. Let's use this now. Okay, so in the packaging there was the developer cream, the color cream. I always remind you in these videos to check the number on the color cream because sometimes people like to go in the store and change them. So that is a number 700. Comes with the conditioner, instructions, and gloves. I have my own gloves here because they're just always so big. I think I will just use the bottle since I'm doing all over color. So first I'm just going to put the color cream in the developer. Okay, the color is now on. I'm gonna wait for about 20 or 25 minutes and rinse this out and use the conditioner, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is the finished result. It turned out kind of ashy especially from the ends because my hair was so light there. Also the orange dye didn't really stick there too much, so it's a little bit ashy at the ends, but I actually don't mind it. I think it looks pretty nice. I've used the Casting Cream Gloss in Iced Latte before, which is also a level 7 dark blonde hair color, but I think it's like 713 the number. This one is 700, so this one is supposed to be a little bit darker than that one. I do have a review video of that one as well. I filmed it in January. I will leave the link for you somewhere up here. And this definitely looks lighter, but I think it is because my hair was just so blonde before. I think now that this is gonna start fading, it's gonna fade very nicely into my natural hair color. I'm gonna try to not bleach my hair at least for a year, so we'll see how that goes. But my hair is just very fried at the moment, which is why I wanted to dye it darker, so I can just kind of grow out my natural hair color or keep using like semi-permanent hair color. So it's just toners on top of it. I let the hair color develop for only 20 minutes, by the way. So I used the conditioner in the shower and my hair still felt really dry, so I used the L'Oreal Wonder Water, which made it feel a little bit softer. And when my hair was still damp, I used a leave-in conditioner and also a hair oil, and I mostly air dried my hair, but my hair still feels a little dry, so I definitely need to not bleach my hair for a little bit. So my hair feels really dry, not necessarily because of this hair color, but because it was so damaged beforehand. But if you were interested, this is what the color looks like on blonde hair. Please don't forget to fill in your hair because you can already see that the ends are kind of ashy, even though I tried to fill in with that orange. So if you don't want green hair, fill in your hair first. And let me show in the back what it looks like. so yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on, maybe style my hair a little bit, and show you the sort of final look. Okay, I just straightened my hair a little bit and put on some makeup, and I feel like now that I straighten it, you can really see how ashy the ends especially are. Like if you compare, these are the blonde parts obviously, to this part here, that's way warmer, and this looks almost green compared to it. So I'm definitely gonna have to use the wash in wash out toners on my hair just so that it kind of counteracts the green, I guess. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this color. I just want to say in the end that I bought some new eyeshadows, some new brushes, so I'm gonna have some new exciting makeup looks coming to my channel. So I bought the entire Huda Beauty Neon collection. These eyeshadows look so beautiful. These are probably the prettiest eyeshadows that I have owned ever. Let me show you. These are so pretty. These are very bright, so maybe this would be better for summer, but I don't know. I tend to get kind of more creative during like fall time anyway because of Halloween and stuff, so I'm just really excited for these. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see looks using these eyeshadow palettes. I know these are not new, but they're just so pretty, I had to get them. So yeah, that's all this time. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a share and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And apparently all my videos are not showing up on my subscribers feed, so make sure you click the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I post a new video, which is typically every Saturday at 10 a.m. Thank you so much to everyone who has already subscribed. I really appreciate you, and I hope to see you here next time. Bye!